Kuwak siya eh.
Impressive guard of honor of the combined Manipur Rifles contingent under the command of the gallant officer Shri Gaurav Dogra, IPS professional in Far West. Shri Gaurav Dogra, a graduate in Bachelor of Engineering Material Sciences from Punjab Engineering College, University of Technology, Chandigarh, was appointed in the Indian Police Service in 2022 in the National Police Academy, Hyderabad, and joined the Manipur Police Department on 4th December 2022. He had previously served as a business consultant for 3 years before joining the Indian Police Service. Shri Gaurav Dogra is a young and dynamic police officer from Himachal Pradesh.
Come on, guard! Deine Stelle auf! Deine Marsch! Come on, guard! Bicep! Hey, jump!
Shri Gojendra.
अपना पोस्ट में पड़ता है मोबाइल